Hi everybody, this is my Acura MDX 2005. So today I have a problem is the car won't start. Everything is on, but the car won't start. So its problem is I want to share with everybody because somebody have like same problem. We know how to fix it. It's so easy to fix it. If we don't know, maybe the dealer they charge like couple hundred for sure, maybe more. When you turn on, you see the green light, the green key right here. Keep flashing, and it never go away. It normally is flashing about like couple times and then it's gone, but it's still there. So it means the fuel is no good. Maybe some of them burn out. So now we go to check the fuel. Maybe one of them is burn out. So the fuel box right here. So open up. To leave on top there. So one of these. So we check this one. So this one look good. It's still good. Check the next one. And this one is burn out. So the one burn out. That's why the car won't start. There you go. I show you how the car is. The problem is when it won't start. See, the car won't start. If you guys have same problem like this, the green key normally about like 2 or 3 times and it's gone, but the key is flashing like still. It means the fuel, some of them no good. So I just bought this one, only $5, $6 at Canadian Thai. So right here. Okay, I take it out and change this. Okay, so this one is the one burn out, and this one is the new one. So 15, and the old one is 15. So just put back the new one. Just make sure put it down. Okay, push it down, and we go to start a car. Let's see what happened. There you go. It worked. Only $5, $6. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.